Hey everybody, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we're going to go over part 2 of Make Money Online using Google Search. Make sure to watch until the end as I will be going over how to choose profitable keywords for your online business, optimizing your website for better search engine visibility, and tips and tricks for maximizing your earnings with Google Search. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. Building backlinks and increasing your website's authority. Backlinks or inbound links from other websites play a crucial role in determining your website's authority and search engine rankings. The more authoritative and relevant websites that link back to your content, the higher your website will rank on Google. Here's how you can build backlinks. Create high-quality, link-worthy content that other websites would want to reference and link to. This could be in the form of informative articles, comprehensive guides, or original research. Reach out to the relevant websites and influencers in your industry and ask them to link to your content. Personalized outreach emails or social media messages can be effective in building relationships and generating backlinks. Guest blogging on reputable websites is another effective way to build backlinks. Write informative and valuable articles for these websites and include a link back to your own website. Participate in online forums, communities, and social media groups related to your niche. Share your expertise and provide helpful answers to questions, including a link to your website when relevant. Remember, building backlinks takes time and effort. Focus on quality rather than quantity, and prioritize building relationships with authoritative websites in your industry. Monetizing your website through Google AdSense. Google AdSense is a popular way to monetize your website and earn passive income. It allows you to display targeted ads on your website, and you earn a commission whenever visitors click on these ads. Here's how you can get started with Google AdSense. Sign up for a Google AdSense account and provide the necessary information about your website. Once your account is approved, you will receive a code snippet to add to your website. This code will display relevant ads on your web pages. Customize the appearance and placement of the ads to match your website's design and maximize click-through rates. Monitor your AdSense performance through the Google AdSense dashboard. Analyze metrics such as impressions, clicks, and revenue to optimize your ad placements and increase your earnings. Remember to adhere to Google's policy and guidelines when using AdSense. Avoid clicking on your own ads or engaging in any fraudulent activities, as this can lead to account suspension. Exploring other online income streams using Google Search. In addition to Google AdSense, there are various other online income streams you can explore using Google Search. Here are a few examples. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services on your website. Earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. E-commerce. Set up an online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Using Google Search to drive traffic to your store and generate sales. Online courses. Create and sell online courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. Use Google Search to target potential students and promote your courses. Freelancing. Offer your skills and services as a freelancer. Use Google Search to find freelance job opportunities or promote your freelance business. Consulting services. Position yourself as an expert in your industry and offer consulting services. Use Google Search to attract potential clients and showcase your expertise. Remember, success in any online income stream requires dedication, hard work, and continuous learning. Experiment with different strategies and find out what works best for you and your target audience. Tips and tricks for maximizing your earnings with Google Search. To maximize your earnings with Google Search, here are some additional tips and tricks. Stay updated with the latest SEO trends and algorithm changes. Google regularly updates its search algorithms, and staying informed can help you adapt your strategies accordingly. Analyze your website's performance using tools like Google Analytics. Identify high-performing pages and replicate their success across your website. Build a strong online presence through social media and content marketing. Engage with your audience, share valuable content, and build a community around your brand. Diversify your income streams to reduce reliance on a single source. Explore multiple ways to monetize your skills and interests using the power of Google search. Continuously optimize your website and content based on user feedback and data. Regularly test different strategies and measure their effectiveness to improve your earnings. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and perseverance to build a sustainable online income using Google search. Stay consistent, adapt to changes, and continuously improve your skills and knowledge. Conclusion and next steps for making money online using Google search. In conclusion, Google search offers a plethora of opportunities to make money online. Whether you're a freelancer, a stay-at-home parent, or someone looking to supplement your current income, leveraging the power of Google can help you achieve financial freedom. Start by understanding the concept of search engine optimization and choosing profitable keywords for your online business. Create high-quality content that ranks well on Google and optimize your website for better search engine visibility. Build backlinks and increase your website's authority. Monetize your website through Google AdSense and explore other online income streams using Google search. Remember to continuously learn and adapt your strategies as the online landscape evolves. With dedication and perseverance, you can unleash your earning potential and make money online using Google search. Now grab a tea, sit back, and take the first step towards your online money-making journey and the world's most popular search engine. The possibilities are endless. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.